Hai murid-murid, jom belajar bersama cikgu.
Assalamualaikum semua. Good morning. How are you today? Are you good? Are you doing fine? You are good? Great. So, today we will learn about phonics sound of alphabet. The learning standard for today's class is BI 2.2.5, recognize and sound out letters of the alphabet. And the learning objective for today's class is so pupils can recognize and sound out letters of the alphabet from G to L. Before we start our class, we must recite doa belajar. Let's recite doa belajar together with me. Ready? Raise your hand. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin. Before we proceed with our lesson today, I want to ask you, how is the weather at your place today? Sebelum kita meneruskan kelas kita, cikgu nak tanya macam mana cuaca di tempat kamu sekarang. How is the weather at your place? Is it sunny? Adakah cerah? Is it rainy? Adakah hujan? Or is it cloudy? Can you tell me? So everyone, are you ready to start the class? Today we will learn about the phonics sound of alphabet, which is G, H, I, J, K, and L. Before that, I want you to watch a video about the phonics sound of alphabet and listen carefully. Are you ready? Let's go.
Dog. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. F is for fish, fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for hand, hand. H is for hand, hand. I is for igloo, juice. Juice. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kangaroo. 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 K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. 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 L is for lion. Lion.
Before this, we already learned about the phonic sound of alphabet from A to F. So today we start our lesson with the alphabet of G. This is G. Let's listen to the phonic sound of G.
G. G.
Yes, the phonic sound of G is G. G. Can you repeat after me? G. G for good. G for good. G. G. Good. This is H. This is H. Let's listen to the sound of H. So the sound of H is H for hat. Hat. H for hat. Can you repeat after me? Next is I. This is I. Let's listen to the phonic sound of I.
E. Ink. E.
Can you follow? This is I. The phonic sound is ink. Everyone, can you tell me what is this alphabet? This is J. Now let's listen to the phonic sound of J.
J. J.
So the phonic sound is J. J. For J, the phonic sound is J. 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 Can you follow me? J. J. Jack. J for Jack. This is K. So let's listen to the phonic sound of K.
K. K.
So the phonic sound of K is K. K. Can you follow me? K. K for key. K for key. Key. Next, we have L. We have L. So let's listen to the phonic sound of L.
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 So the phonic sound of L is L. L. L for lock. L for lock. L. L. Lock. Okay, we just finished learning about the phonic sound of alphabet. So now I want you to listen to this sound and guess what is this alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go.
G. G.
Did you know what is this sound? This is the alphabet of G. This is G. K. The second one is
K. K.
K. K. What is this sound? This is the sound of K. This is the sound of K. 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 Next, I want you to guess this sound.
I. I. Ink. I. I. I.
So, what is this alphabet? This is I. This is I. E. Next.
L. L.
Lion. Lion. So this is L. This is L. Next. This is H. This is H. And the last one, let's listen to the sound.
J. J.
Ch. Ch. Can you guess what is the sound? Ch. Yes, this is J. 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 Yay! That's all for our class today. Clap your hands. Till we meet again on our next class, and we will continue to learn about the phonics sound of alphabet. Thank you.
Baiklah, setakat itu sahaja hari ini murid-murid. Sampai